You may be asking yourself, I'm told that I'm supposed to network to find a job, but how do I do that? It sounds so nerve-wracking, and I also don't want to irritate or offend anyone. How do I meet people who can help me in my career without feeling weird about it? Well, introducing How to Find a Job Without Experience Stride Career Prep series. I'm Madeline Mann, award-winning career strategist and human resources leader, and I will answer all of that and more in our networking and correspondence session. In this workshop, you will learn 2 myths about networking and the major mindset shift that will help make it so much easier. You'll get 4 email templates of exactly what to say to reach out to people for help, how to thank them, how to follow up with them in the future. And you'll learn how to build your LinkedIn profile and use social media for finding jobs and building professional relationships. Networking is really intimidating and it's stress inducing, but this session will give you the exact steps you need to lower your anxiety and make it simple to make great relationships that will lead to jobs.